Buckle up, because this is about to get insane. We're unleashing monster machines, chainsaws so powerful they laugh in the face of danger, and wood processing pushed beyond the edge. Faster, bigger, more relentless than anything you've ever seen. Get ready for the ultimate power rush. Tired of backbreaking wood splitting? Meet the Alco LHS 6000, a beast with 6.6 tons of splitting force, 4 HP of pure power, and the muscle to crush logs up to 59 inches long. Built tough, runs clean, splits wood like butter, anytime, anywhere. Wow, the Hockey Pilka 25 carry isn't just a log splitter, it's a mobility powerhouse. Forget those heavy old-school machines. This one hitches to your ATV, letting you bring the splitter right to the woodpile, no matter where it is. Under the hood, a 13-horsepower gas engine delivers serious punch while staying fuel-friendly. The smooth hydraulic system keeps you splitting instead of tinkering, tackling logs up to 10 inches thick and 16 inches long with ease. And the built-in conveyor belt? That's pure efficiency, moving split wood almost effortlessly. For a compact unit, the output is impressive. And with used prices around $14,000, it's a tempting upgrade for anyone serious about firewood. Hey guys, meet the Rotten H11D, a straight-up beast from the future. It rips through the forest like a predator on the hunt, with a hydrostatic transmission that turns brutal terrain into a walk in the park. Step inside its spacious, climate-controlled cabin. It's like sitting in a spaceship cockpit, ready to command raw, unstoppable power. Every engine roar hits you right in the chest, warning that nothing stands in this monster's way. This thing isn't just impressive, it's jaw-dropping. Ready to take your firewood cutting to the next level? This chainsaw support isn't just handy, it's a total game changer. In seconds, you can set it up, adjust it to fit your saw perfectly, and start slicing through logs like a pro. No extra hands needed. Built tough and designed for maximum versatility, it turns hard work into something you'll actually look forward to. Once you try it, you won't just like it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Let's be real, chopping wood is a workout you never asked for. But what if there was an easier way? The Halverson HWP 140B, with its insanely powerful hydraulics, makes splitting wood easier than ordering pizza. This beast could probably teach a seasoned lumberjack a few tricks. So lose the axe, Fire up the HWP 140B and spend your time enjoying the fire, not wrestling with a stubborn log. Oh my gosh, that guy is dangling way up high, the chainsaw roaring like a wild beast, sawdust flying like a storm. Bam! The whole treetop crashes down, spearing straight into the ground like it just grew there. Meet the Awi RT400 track mulcher, the ultimate land-clearing monster, proudly made in the USA. This beast delivers jaw-dropping power and unmatched efficiency, devouring forestry, land clearing, and site prep like nothing you've ever witnessed. Get ready, this isn't just performance, it's pure domination. Homemade bandsaw? Whoa, now that's pure backyard genius. And that spring arm power cable trick? Honestly, I'm kind of obsessed with it. But let's be real, gotta slap on a blade guard if you want to keep all your fingers. This setup has me grinning ear to ear. What about you guys? Doesn't this just make you want to fire it up and start cutting? Introducing the PME splitter, the ultimate beast that's about to revolutionize your firewood game. With a massive 32-inch cutting blade that slices through thick logs like butter, and 4 precision dicing blades that turn them into perfectly uniform pieces, this machine delivers unmatched speed and versatility. Big stubborn logs? Gone in seconds. Neat, ready to burn firewood? Done before you can catch your breath. This isn't just processing firewood. It's total wood domination. This is insane. Do you see that root plate lifting? When raw power teams up with a 28-to-1 mechanical advantage, pulling that stump isn't just about strength, it's an art of leverage and precision. Watching that stubborn stump ripped from the ground, pure, unmatched satisfaction. But remember, this isn't a game. Always plan your pulls carefully and stay safe out there in the wild.
Here I am backing the tractor up to burn the battery, so I can't show you the rest of it. But basically, the ton.
Are you ready? This is the Uniforest Titan 5340, a giant wood splitter that makes even the biggest trees bow down. You won't believe your eyes. This machine slices through logs up to 32 inches smooth as butter, with a whopping 40 tons of splitting power, multiple splitting modes, and lightning-fast boom speed technology. Watching it in action is like seeing a lumberjack on steroids, cooler and way more efficient. Have you ever seen a machine this powerful? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. I mean, just look at the size of those. He's probably done this 1,000 times. But hey guys, make sure you stay safe out there. Welcome to the epic tour of Columbia Vista Lumberyard. Wow, this place is massive. Heavy-duty trucks roar in and out like a perfectly tuned symphony of logistics giants. Next up, the logs get sorted and stacked with surgical precision. Giant robotic arms dance seamlessly with skilled drivers, moving massive wood blocks instantly to their exact spots. Ever dreamed of taking the driver's seat in this powerhouse? Trust me, it's nothing short of exhilarating. Can you hear that? That sound. Pure satisfaction to the ears. The Binderberger Gigant 30Z, powered by a beastly Case 956 XL engine, is a hydraulic wood-splitting warrior. With a roaring 95 horsepower engine delivering unstoppable force, it tears through the toughest logs like slicing through warm butter. Get ready to witness power, precision, and raw muscle all in one unstoppable machine. Oh, this machine is super compact and agile, slicing through each log with razor-sharp precision. But hey, don't forget your safety gear when you're working with it. I bet this little powerhouse is a game changer for any household. Ready to see it in action? Let's go. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Fax log splitter, Sweden's best-selling legend. Devours logs up to 28 inches in diameter. Infinite stroke adjustment means it splits faster without returning to the start. Ultra-tough steel blade with optional 4-way reversible blade to double your output. Controlled by 2 ergonomic levers. Push both to advance, release one to stop, release both for instant return. Crushing force 16 pounds at 3 psi. This isn't a splitter, it's a log crushing beast. Why buy a pricey stump grinder when you can build your own monster machine? With a pressure washer engine paired to a M1 Blue Shark wheel, this DIY powerhouse proves that with the right parts and a bit of mechanical genius, you can obliterate stumps like a seasoned pro. Wow! When you're staring down a stubborn stump, the Husqvarna 3120 XP is the ultimate beast you unleash for mind-blowing power and performance. With jaw-dropping engine capacity and lightning-fast cutting power, this monster turns even the most unyielding stumps into a pile of sawdust in seconds. Unbelievable! The Case TV 620B is a total game changer. Watching this monster in action is pure excitement. It slices through trees effortlessly, turning them into lush, nutrient-rich mulch before you can blink. The way it clears an entire area with such speed and power is downright mesmerizing. Oh yes, pure unstoppable power. That Massey Ferguson is a monster, yanking that stump like it's nothing. Every pull is pure satisfaction, heart racing, jaw dropping. That's how legends do it. What a beast. More. That's a wrap for today. Share your thoughts below, and if this video inspired you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, take care.